Alright, how you doing, man? It's G at Best Pip Auto. And what we got right here is an 04 Mitsubishi Endeavor 3.8 liter V6 with a originally has a 6-speed sports tronic transmission. This is the old transmission that I pulled out, all-wheel drive. To get this transmission out, you will have to disconnect the all-wheel drive. To get the all-wheel drive out, you will have to pull these intermediate shafts out. This is the shaft that goes passenger side. What I did is I put a bolt in it, thread it in, and I used one of my dent pullers, my high industrial dent pullers from the body shop in the back. This is right there. And just hooked it on there, and then you can drill a hole out and get better leverage. You'll put a thread of bolt through it to get better leverage, but I just use it with the hook on it. Yank, a couple yanks, yanked it out. And this is the driver's side intermediate shaft that goes through the differential on the driver's side, which will sit right in here. This is the differential. Now this is a 6-speed sports tronic transmission. That was in a V6. This is transmission come out of Mitsubishi Endeavor. I rebuilt a while ago. It had new bearings, new differential in it, everything. I had this transmission in a Mitsubishi Outlander that we had. It was a 4-cylinder. The truck was wrecked, you know what I'm saying, real bad and shit, so I just pulled the engine transmission out, and this is the transmission I'm using. So you can make this work. This will work, even though this come out of a V6 and it comes out of a 4-cylinder. What you have to do is just swap the bell housings. You have to swap the bell housing now. On this transmission, another thing is the shaft right here. Now this shaft right here on the oil pump, you might have to swap this shaft. If I'm not mistaken, if I remember correctly, you have to swap this shaft as well. Because I'm thinking this shaft is longer because the bell is bigger. We'll have to pull this transmission pump and swap them. So I'm finna get to that and see. We're also gonna swap the differential and put it on this one for the all-wheel drive, because we're gonna hook that back up. So I'm gonna get back to y'all on another video with that. Alright.